Welcome to the CSIpix channel. In this video, I am going to introduce CSIpix Comparator. CSIpix Comparator is Windows-based software for the side-by-side comparison of two images. It's usually used by forensic professionals for the comparison of fingerprint images, palm print images, footwear images, facial images, and signatures, but it has also been used to compare ancient coins and other archaeological items. The first version was released in 2010. It's been sold to hundreds of agencies in over 30 countries around the world. Since it was first released, it's been refined with feedback from our customers. CSIpix will open most common image types, like JPEG, TIFF, bitmap. It'll also open WSQ and ANSI NIST files. It will open images from cameras, or it can connect up to a scanner. It has tools to make scaling images very easy, like auto ruler detection. It provides the ability to crop, zoom, pan side-by-side images simultaneously. We have a tool to provide side-by-side rotational alignment, and we have a ghost cursor for easy comparison of features on the two images. I'll give a quick demonstration of Comparator now. It's a Windows app, so you double-click on the Comparator icon. I'll load an image on the left side. Usually you show two images side by side, but if you want to expand one view, you just click left and it'll expand the left side. So to calibrate this image, it was taken with a camera, and there's a ruler next to the fingerprint. To calibrate it, I just click Calibrate on the menu bar and tell it to look for a black text millimeters ruler. So now the image is calibrated. It's 650 pixels per inch. I'll go back to compare mode and I'll open two other images. I'll put the latent on the left, temprint on the right. These two images are different resolutions. The latent is 599 or 600 pixels per inch. The temprint is 500 pixels per inch. They're different resolutions, but if I lock the zoom, the software will calculate the correct zoom factor so that they're displayed at the same resolution. I can drag around this green box on this side to look for a print that could match the latent. When I find one that could be a match, I can roughly align them. And then I can lock the pan. So now not only can you zoom in and out together, and I'm zooming in and out with the roller button on my mouse, by the way. Now I can also pan simultaneously. And I could use the ghost cursor to help me find features that match on both images. Comparator also provides image enhancement functions, crop tools, including a synchronized cropping and multiple cropping, which is good for fingerprint images of latents when you've got multiple prints on one and you want to make separate images of each individual finger. Annotation tools, you can add dimensions and measurements. We have perspective correction, and a history is saved for each operation you perform on the image so that you've got an audit trail. These are the type of enhancement tools we have: levels adjustment, local equalization, brightness, smoothing, white balance, color sliders to help remove specific colors from a background, and a light and dark filter, which was written specifically for fingerprints that are over dark and light backgrounds. These are the type of annotations you can do within CSIpix. You can do arrows with numbers on the end, you can do ridge tracing, and you can use these things, which we call magnified views, to show different levels of detail in single images. So I've got these two images. Now if I would like to annotate these, I can do a synchronized crop. Synchronized crop operates when you've got your two images lined up. You can crop both images at the same time. I'll go to annotate. I'll apply a white border around each image. Now I can add things like dots, circles, freehand tracing. I'll just quickly show how to add dots to the image. To do freehand tracing, you just use freehand tracing like this. For magnified view, you just put your mouse on whatever it is you want to show in more detail and drag it out to the side. If I had this completely annotated and I wanted to save a side-by-side image to put into a report, you just say File, Save, and that's what we call the compare view. So it'll save a side-by-side image. And that's what these are, side-by-side images that are easy to put into a report or a presentation. You can add measurements to images for applications such as these. We have perspective correction. If you would like more details about CSIpix products, please visit our website or watch more of our videos on YouTube or contact us. Thank you for watching.